Hi, my name is Stephanie Walters, and I grew up in Summit County, Colorado, specifically Keystone, which is about 5 minutes away from the Keystone Ski Resort. I have a very tight-knit family, my parents and my younger brother. His name is Weston, and he's 7 years younger than me. Our family has always been very close, and we always go on fun trips together. Every summer we go to Lake Powell, which is in Arizona, and we go there for about a week and water ski and wakeboard, and that's always a lot of fun. We moved to Keystone when I was in 2nd grade, and we did that because I was pursuing ski racing. So I skied all of middle school and high school and some of elementary school. My favorite event was downhill because it was really fast and exciting. I went to the Junior Olympics 3 years in a row, which was really a great experience. Skiing taught me how to be very organized, and I learned how to manage my time well because I had to miss a lot of school in order to go to the races. But it was a really great part of my life. I made lifelong friends, and skiing is something that I'll always take with me. My senior year, I ended up getting really hurt. In a downhill race, I fell and hurt my back, so I was forced to quit. But I can still ski recreationally, which is fun, just not competitively. After I graduated, I decided to go to CSU and pursue a career in journalism. I'm focusing mainly on broadcast. I would love to news anchor one day. My ideal job, eventually, would be working for a TV broadcast station and being either a reporter or a TV news anchor. So we will see where that takes me.